Freaky. We're not gonna talk about how hard I hit the camera and why it was lagging and glitching for 10 to 15 minutes after. So it's not glitching no more, bro. I'm a little hyper. I had like 13 chocolate bars, bro. I don't know if you read that, but I had like 30 of these, bro. And they're kicking in, so I had to go make a video. And I had to let you guys know that this is a cooking video. That intro is going up in the history book of the channel, because that was something. Like this part right here. Well, like, what the frick was that? Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. I had you guys holding for a while. This is gonna be a long video, so hold tight. That being said, subscribe, turn on post notifications, because I'm cooking video. Don't know what I'm gonna cook yet, so probably gonna sit behind the scenes for 35 hours before I figure out what to cook. So I'll hit you guys up when. All right, y'all. This is about 20 minutes later, and I look through the cabinets. I look through stuff. There's stuff to cook. There's stuff for me to bake and make. You know, I'm not the best cooker, but I know how to cook basic stuff. I was gonna do a treasure box hunt video tomorrow, but from outside as of right now, it's about negative 30 degrees. So that's a no-no for the next few days. Tomorrow night it's gonna be negative 35. It's really gonna be crazy. And if you guys don't believe me, look, this is what my weather station is telling you, bro. Y'all wouldn't believe it. That is why we've been stuck in my room for a while. It's winter time and it's a brutal one out there. This is why I don't film much content during the winter time. What's up, y'all? We're gonna get the cooking. I'm planning on making a grilled cheese again. But not only a grilled cheese, some chicken, and I'm gonna have some blueberries on the side too. I know I just cooked a grilled cheese last video. No. I know I just cooked one last video. But there really is nothing different in my house to cook. So I'm trying to get this video out quickly. So if I'm to try to cook something different, it'll probably take generally days, because I don't know when I'm gonna get new stuff. This video is gonna be as raw as possible, really. It's really just gonna be cuts, maybe some background music. This video, I'm planning on making it just as raw and as long as possible. Really, 2 pieces of bread. That's about all that. Yeah. I'm not too sure. That's the only thing. I don't got a tripod, so it's really record videos sometimes. But really, you just need this butter. This is the good butter. Get this butter. This is the butter you freaking need, bro. Also, this is the chicken we're rocking with. I think there's only like a few pieces left in here, actually. I think there's actually only just a few pieces left. Unfortunate. Disgusting! We're gonna throw the chicken in first. Because, wow, look at this, bro. Only 2 slices? Only 2? Bro, you can't be lying to me, mate. This is crazy. But we're gonna cook, and I got some unfortunate news that I need to share to you, and this is my only opportunity right now. So YouTube, let me know what the deal is, cause last week I hit 1,200 subscribers, and I woke up just 2 days after that, and I lost all 100 of those new subscribers. And the video called Hallucination had 1,000 views. I woke up, now it has 300. What is going on with YouTube, bro? I don't know what they're doing, if it's like some type of restrictions or they just trying. I'm not really liking what they're doing, but I'm not gonna let them affect me or slow me down at all. I know it's a little difficult, man. It's a little difficult dealing with the YouTube. You know, we'll get through it. At the end of the day, as a community, we are now a community. We've been a community, just a small community. It's just so unfortunate that I gained 100 subscribers And I got stoked. Like, I got so happy, bro. And then I literally just lost like, all the next day. I don't know, bro, but that it got me so mad, bro. I'm in the whole like, gotta get the cheese. Oh, next thing, it's been very cold, very dangerous cold, like -30 outside, -32 outside right now. But a big warmlet is to come soon, and it's gonna start warming up. So there will be a treasure box hunting video coming as soon as possible, really. That's all I know. Fancy. Well, with that being said though, like, how y'all been doing, y'all? Any of y'all are from LA and have any family member, friends, or you typically has been impacted by the fire going on? My heart goes out to you, and I wish the best of luck, bro. 'Cause I can't explain that, bro. Like, I couldn't imagine my own house being burned down, neighborhood, everything, bro. I couldn't imagine that. Just live life. You just gotta live life. That's all I gotta say. Like, you just gotta live life. Life is a bunch of obstacles. You're gonna go through ups and downs in life. So you just gotta keep on pushing. Don't give up. This is just gonna be like a comedy, not really a comedy, like a talk cook video. I don't know. I'm not really the biggest talker, but today I guess I'm gonna be a talker. We got the big fat blueberries. I'm actually gonna have a few right now. With that being said though, we're going strong into the year. So far, I think this video right here will be the 6th video of the year already that dropped on my channel. That already is literally like half of what I posted all the year of 2024, bro. It's literally insane. I don't know how I did it, but I'm gonna keep consistent and keep pushing on through the year. There's gonna be breaks. Breaks are gonna come through. Breaks are gonna happen. It's just a part of life. Every normal individual needs a break. Still, that's something you just don't want. But anyways, y'all, these grilled cheese, I use the real cheese. I don't use the sliced cheeses anymore. Those ones are factory made. Those ones got, I don't even know. I heard they got chemicals and crap in it. I don't like that. I'm doing all of this without a tripod. Oh, I'm about to burn it, bro. Ow! I gotta use the knife because I'm burning it. No, I don't like burn. I don't like it burnt. But definitely a tripod coming soon, so I can get better angles. Just everything overall is better. I don't know if I might have to cut this whole part out, but I might literally have to cut this whole part out. I have to have this on full blast, so the smoke gets stuff. Good. Actually matters that. That's done. That is more than done. It might be burned. It might be burned, bro. But anyways, if you're new, I made some new features to my channel. I don't know if you guys noticed. I definitely haven't told you the new features. The new features are playlists. Yes, I made my own playlist to my channel, so it has different series, my exploring episodes, my music, my treasure, they're all organized in place. I already see that people are already using them, and I'm happy to them. I do that because I see that there's a lot more videos on my channel now. It's going to be a little difficult for people to find, especially the new people. they don't want to go scrolling all the way down. It's just way faster and saves you all the time. Really? You gotta wait 17 freaking minutes. Yeah. 17 freaking minutes for the shit gonna be done. So I don't know what we're gonna do there and then. Maybe we could go talk, do some taste tests, talk. Man, I'm looking at the support in my analytics, and man, there's so many new people on my channel. Like, I'm gonna say like 45 to maybe even 50 or even higher percentage of my people, of people that watch my channel are literally new people. A lot of new faces and a lot of new people on this channel. So the only thing I can really say is, if you're new, I think you guys understand how many hours, days, months, and weeks I put into these videos on my channel. Just for YouTube to basically hate on me, disrespect me, basically. That's what I'm trying to get from. Okay. Alright guys, we're in my room. It is time to do the review. This is honestly a simple meal that I've made on this channel once already, but we're not gonna talk about it. We're not gonna talk about it. There's not much to do, but maybe some videos of Eli might come out soon. I don't know. That's really up to him. But yeah, let's get into this, crunching this grilled cheese down before it gets cold, because who likes cold food? A little burnt. We're not gonna talk about it, bro. We're not gonna talk about it. Nah, bro. Oh my god. Oh, I got sidetracked, man. You guys, it's your fault. I truly don't know how long this video is gonna be, mainly because I end up cutting 50% of my video 80% of the time. This video could be 50 minutes long and it'll end up being an 18-minute video. That's how much I cut. But I'm gonna give this one a solid 7 out of 10. Normally I would give them a 10 out of 10, but you guys freaking sidetracked me, man. You guys sidetracked me. I was talking to you. I got so focused that, look at what you guys have done. Look at what you guys, it looks like someone took a Sharpie, a black Sharpie. Well, guys, this is not gonna be the end of the video because I still have to taste test the chicken. It's a brand of chicken that I've never tried, so I know I'm not really a baker. I don't even know my limits to what I can bake and what I cannot bake, which is actually the crazy part. I know how to bake spaghetti. I know how to make spaghetti. Subscribe, man. We gotta make a comeback for what you. I know this year's gonna be all record for me and my channel. I know we're gonna do big numbers this year for sure. We've already started off the year really good. That being said, though, my Instagram will be right here, and if you guys need a faster way, it will also be linked down below. So if you guys have any suggestions, I'm also getting a haircut soon, and you know, it's not good. It's really just not good. It's really crazy. This video is already really long. I think it's around 40 minutes long. It'll probably end up being a 20-minute long video just because I'm trying to make it as raw as literally as possible, bro. I'm really trying to get Eli on the channel too. But like I said, I respect his wishes if he doesn't want to be on my channel. I think he only just wants to help, like, film for me. I don't know if he wants to be in it necessarily, but I respect his wishes if he doesn't want to be, because I'm a respectful ass dude, bro. And I will always remain that way. But you guys haven't seen him in literally a year. And the last video you guys seen is literally the craziest night. I actually did really good that video. That video topped over 600 views, so it's one of my trending videos on the channel actually. Well, we got the two, literally the only two chicken strip that were left. So we're gonna try them out. We're gonna get this video done and over with, because honestly, I've been here. Oh yeah, before that, you remember when I said this video would take 35 hours to find what I was gonna cook? I was being really like for real about that. I actually took 30 hours. Like, I was not joking. Like, it's literally the next day. I know I'm saying that very short, but it's literally the next day. It's crazy. This is some off brand. I don't know. I don't even know if it's off brand or not, but it's a chicken strip, so we're gonna try it out. Okay. What time? I think I just got a blister in my throat, honestly. No diddy. Well, to be fair, I'm not gonna sit here and just eat all this for y'all face. I'm not even eating the second half of that grilled cheese because it's literally black. It's not that good. I burnt it. I'm gonna give the chicken an 8.5 out of 10. And the grilled cheese a 5, bro. A 5, honestly, just because it's burnt. Because of you guys. You guys done did it. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. I said it's your fault. Apologize now. That being said, yo, this will be the end of the video. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and tell me video ideas in my comments or Instagram, which will be linked down below. So catch y'all in the next video.